Howdy fellas, in the last video I showed you we had the barrel and the trigger plate in. The next step would be to install the lock. So the first thing you would do is take your lock and coat all the surfaces with a light coating of inletting black. And take a brush and wipe that on all the parts. And then you would take the lock and place it in the lock mortise and press it down. I've got a little bit of inlet and black on there I don't want. Press that down, and it's a little bit tight, so I'm going to use a plastic mallet to tap it on in. And what you would do, you would take that lock out and look for any black spots, and take your chisels, inlet and chisels, and cut those little black spots out, which would leave your high spots. Ideally, what you want to do right here in this part, which is the flash pan or the bolster area, you want that to be touching the barrel. That keeps the powder from going down in between the lock and the stock, and sometimes or other cause a detonation in there. You don't want that to happen. So I've got it to the point where it fits in there. It's just not 100% perfect. I've still got a little bit of work to do. And I put the lock washer in the other side. Of course, there's the lock bolt. And I had a little problem with it wanting to bind up on me. So I think I've got that situation remedied, or at least it looks like I do. So that's a little bit of progress on it. It's going to be a slow go. And like I said, it's been a lot of years since I've built a kit, and I've never built a flintlock kit. So this is something new as far as that's concerned. But stay with me. I'll keep you updated as we go along. And if you would look, the way the light's shining on it, and you see the curl in that maple, I think it's really going to look good when I get the aqua fortis on it. But anyway, God bless you. Thank you for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.